Hey kids, welcome to section 5.7, sale price. Today we're going to learn how to compute the sale price when the markdown rate is known. So a question to think about, what are some ways merchants mark sale prices on goods? Well, some stores have sale racks. Some stores use different color tags or maybe stickers on the sales tags. Some put them in a completely different section. Some stores just kind of, you know, keep the item wherever it is and place it on sale. So, um, all sorts of stores have their sales in all sorts of different places. Some vocab for today: some stores advertise the amount of markdown and the regular selling price. They may also indicate that the item's price is a stated percentage off the regular price. If you know the markdown, then you can calculate the sales price. And the sale price is just the regular selling price of an item minus the discount or markdown on the price. So some stores might say, hey, this item is 25% off. And other stores might say, this item is $2 off. So it just depends on the store. You can find the sale price by taking the regular selling price and subtracting the markdown. You could also do it a different way and find the percent paid and multiply that way. I prefer to subtract. That way it's consistent with discount and sales tax and markdown rates. So, example number 1, Deborah Lee Medford has a 25% off coupon and is purchasing a watch that has a regular price of $125. What is the watch's sale price? So, first I need to find the markdown. So, I can take the price of the watch, $125, and multiply it by the percentage of the markdown, which is 25%. If I do this, then I get a $31.25 markdown. So that's less money that I have to pay. So to find the price that I pay, I take the 125 and I subtract off the $31.25. That means that the watch is going to be $93.75. So Deborah Lee, when she buys her watch, is going to pay $93.75. Example number 2, the regular selling price of a pair of men's jeans is $37.99. The markdown rate is 20%. What is the total sales price if Steve purchases 4 pairs of jeans? So each pair of jeans is $37.99 with a 20% markdown rate, and Steve is buying 4 pairs. So I can find the markdown rate for one of them and go that way, or I can find how much all 4 pairs of jeans are, then what the markdown rate is for that total, which is easier and has less steps. So if I take 4 pairs of jeans and each pair is $37.99, that means that we are spending, where's my calculator? Hold on one second. So if I take $37.99 and times it by 4, I'm spending $151.96 on jeans. Now they're 20% off, so I can take $151.96 and multiply by 0.20. That means that my markdown is going to be $30.39. So to find the total selling price, I take the $151.96 and subtract $30.39. That means that Steve is going to pay for his 4 pairs of jeans. Hold on one second. $151.96 minus $30.39. He's going to pay $121.57. Okay, so I could have done each pair of pants individually, but that would have taken forever, and that would have been doing way too much, so it's easier to do it together. Okay, example number 3, a boutique sells dresses marked down 20%. What is the total sales price of 6 dresses that sell for, and there are 6 prices there. So I need to first find the total of all the dresses. So if I take each of the 5 prices and add them together, okay, so I'm adding. So that's going to give me a total of $183.20. Then each of them is 20% off, so I can take the total 183.20 and multiply by 0.20. That's going to give me a markdown of $36.64. So to find the total sales price, I can take 183.20 and subtract off 36.64. That's going to give me a total sales price of $146.56. Awesome. Okay, last problem. What is the total final cost of 2 coats, an electronic game, and 3 iPads if there is a 15% discount as well as an 8% sales tax? So this situation is not only having us do a discount, but it's also having us do sales tax. And when you have discounts and sales taxes, you want to make sure to do the discount first and then do the sales tax second. So let's first find the total. We have 2 coats. Each coat is $49.65. I have 1 electronic game, which is $35.59. And 3 iPads, and each one is $205.05. So let's see, let's clean this up a little bit. If I multiply, I get $99.30 plus the $35.59 plus $615.15. That gives me a grand total of $750.04. All right, so that's what our price is before the discount and before the sales tax. Now I need to find the discount. So to find the discount, because I know I have to do discount first, I take $7.50 and multiply it. There's a 15% discount, so multiply by 0.15. That gives me a total savings of $112.51. So I take my price before $750.04 and subtract off the discount $112.51, and that gives me a total of $637.53. We're not done yet because now we have to find the tax. And if you remember from previous chapters or previous sections, I take the price, $637.53, and I multiply by the tax percentage, which in this case is 8%, so 0.08. That's going to give me $51 in tax. So then take my $637.53 and add the tax on. That's going to give me a total selling price of $688.53. So if you're doing a problem that has sales tax and discount, make sure that you do the discount first and then do the sales tax. This is exactly what every store does when you take a coupon or when something is on sale. They wait and do the sales tax until the very end. All right, kids, if you have any questions, please let me know. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.